Srivastava and we are on private guidelines. We are starting here a topic of abstract algebra, namely ring theory. First of all, a ring can be defined as, let R be a set, with two binary operations plus and dot. Then the algebraic system R plus dot. Then the algebraic system R plus dot is said to be ring if it satisfies following properties. First, R plus is an abelian group. Second, R dot is a semi-group. And third, the distributive property. Distributive property means the distribution of multiplication over addition from left and right side both. That is, now R plus is an abelian group means it satisfies 5 properties like closure property, associative property, existence of identity, existence of inverse, and commutative property. And we have the definition of ring theory on our channel by Abhishek sir. That's why I am not writing here all the properties. You know, this is just an overview of the ring theory. The definition of ring. Now, commutative ring. A ring R plus dot. A ring R plus dot is said to be commutative ring if it has commutative property with respect to multiplication. That is, a ring is said to be commutative ring if it has also the commutative property with respect to multiplication. Now, we have some examples of commutative ring, like a ring of integers. You know, the ring of integers z plus dot. A ring of rational numbers q plus dot. A ring of real numbers r plus dot, and ring of complex number c plus dot. These all are commutative ring. Now, we have a ring of 2 by 2 matrices. Let's say it by M, denoted it by M, and defined as A, B, C, D. Matrix 2 by 2 matrix A, B, C, D, where A, B, C, and D belongs to Z. Belongs to Z. With respect to here, the sum is defined as matrix sum. Matrix sum, that is matrix addition. Matrix addition, and the dot is defined as matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. Matrix multiplication. Then the set, that is the algebraic system M plus dot. That is the algebraic system M plus dot is forms a ring. But we have to show that it is a commutative ring or not. Now, in order to show that it is a commutative ring or not, we have to if it forms a commutative ring, then we have to prove it. If it not, then we have to choose any two examples to contradict that it does not form a commutative ring. Okay. Now let us take two examples. A, which is equal to 1 0 0 0, and the other example is B is equal to 0 1 0 0. Okay. Now A dot B is equal to 1 0 0 0 dot 0 1 0 0, which is equal to, the product is 0 1 0 0. Okay. Now B dot A is equal to 0 1 0 0 dot 1 0 0 0. Okay. This is equal to 0 0 0 0. And we can see that A dot B is not equal to B dot A. A dot B is not equal to B dot A. This implies this ring M plus dot is not a commutative ring. Okay. Now the next topic is ring with unity. A ring R plus dot is said to be ring with unity if it has multiplicative identity. It has multiplicative identity. That is, a ring R plus dot is said to be a ring with unity if it has multiplicative identity. We have some examples. Like first, a ring of integers Z plus dot, a ring of rational numbers Q plus dot, a ring of real numbers R plus dot, and a ring of complex number C plus dot. All this ring has multiplicative identity. That is, these all are ring with unity. Okay.